Hello friends, so today we're going to discuss a problem from LeetCode, July Lead Coding Challenge, problem name reverse bits. So you are given a 32-bit unsigned integer and you have to return the bits, reverse the bit, sorry, and you have to output that reverse bit number. So as you can see, if this is the input, then you have to output this, which is just the reverse of all the bits. I've also seen this question in one of my contests in my college, but this is a very trivial or very easy question. So what you actually have to do here is, because it is unsigned, there are 32 bits. Okay, you will go from the back to the front or from the right to the left, and you will check that whether the ith bit is set. If the ith bit is set, so what you will do, you will correspondingly go to the, so like if this bit is set from the like last third bit is set, then you will set the first, like the third bit from the start. The last third bit from the end is set, so set the third bit from the start, and you will only check or mark the bit which are set, and that's the whole trick. You can like easily reverse the whole input number. So what you can easily do here is, you can make another number and iterate from the back to the front. I'll take it on to the code part now to make it more clear. So the code is, you are taking the input of an unsigned integer of 32 bits. Okay, so you make another number a, and then what you will do, you will iterate from the last bit. Because there are 32 bits, the indexing will be like from this is the 0th bit, first bit, so on. And because there are 32 bits, the last will be 31st bit. So we will go from the last index, 0 index, to the 31st index. We will check that if this index, the ith index, is set. How we can check that? We can shift 1 I number of times and check that. We will do an AND with this n number. If this turns out to be some positive integer, then this bit is set. We'll check this in this if condition. If this bit is set, then what we'll do, we'll iterate, we will do like just a complement of it, which is just not a complement, but if this ith bit is set, we will set the 31 minus ith bit, which is just, if we have seen that if the third bit from the last is set, we will just set the third bit from the start. Okay, that's what I'm doing here, and we're just setting that bit, and in the end we just return the output answer. I hope you understand. This is a very simple question. If you still have any doubts, please mention now. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Keep coding. Bye.